Hi, and welcome to Appbot. I'm Claire, one of Appbot's two co-founders, and today I'm going to show you how over 35% of top charting apps use Appbot to see what drives their 1-star and 5-star reviews. If you already have an Appbot account, I recommend opening it in a new window and following along. Let's start with the ratings page. The data shown on ratings matches exactly what is shown in the app stores, and you can see how recently we've checked the store rating at the top of the page. Ratings is the only page in Appbot where we report on the overall rating count. All of the other pages in Appbot analyze your reviews. Reviews are the ratings that also have a text comment, and it is this text component that most pages in Appbot are built to analyze. The count of ratings is therefore much higher than the count of reviews, as you'll see on the next page. From the ratings page, you can view the number of ratings charted in a number of different ways by toggling this dropdown. You can also add markers if you want to annotate specific events that are important to your app, like a particular campaign that your marketing team's running or a change in your ratings prompt. And you can also export the data to CSV or Excel here. Next, let's look at the reviews page, the most commonly used page in Appbot. Here you can see your reviews grouped in a number of different ways. In the filter pane on the right-hand side, choose which app or combination of apps and then use the filters below to narrow your results by sentiment, star rating, topic, and so forth. Note that this page only analyzes reviews with text, so the numbers are a lot smaller than the overall ratings. On the right-hand side of each review, you'll see the metadata for that review. This includes a combination of data that has been directly captured from the app stores and data points that Appbot has calculated for you, like sentiment, topics, and custom topics. You can also add manual tags to individual reviews if you would like to by triggering the Add Tag link in the bottom right-hand corner. You can also reply to reviews right from this page. When I click on the reply link for the Disney Plus app, I'm taken to the reply thread. If you have not linked Appbot to the App Store, as is the case here, you'll see this prompt to do so. If you're logged into App Store Connect for the app in question, you can follow the reply in console link, which will take me into App Store Connect where I can leave a reply. To reply to reviews more efficiently, we highly recommend linking Appbot to the app stores. Here is what you will see if you have linked Appbot to the App Store. I can reply directly from here without having to click on any external links. You can use a canned reply by choosing from the drop-down menu on the right-hand side, or you can use our AI assistant to draft your reply. You'll find that the AI assistant drafts a highly personalized response, and we find that it's especially helpful for responding to 5-star app reviews. Once I'm happy with the information in the reply text, I simply click on Send Reply, and Appbot will go ahead and post this reply directly to the App Store on my behalf. Next, we'll show you how to quickly understand what's driving your reviews using the Disney Plus app as a real-world example, and starting on the sentiment page. Appbot's sentiment analysis algorithm has been especially developed to understand the unusual language patterns commonly found in app reviews, things like emoji, abbreviations, and overcapitalization. The timeline at the top of the page makes it really easy to spot changes in sentiment, total review volume, and the ratio of positive to negative reviews. You can see all of those parameters are broken out into more detail if you scroll further down the page. For the Disney Plus app, we can see something has happened at the start of July, which has really increased the total review volume and also altered the ratio of positive to negative reviews. We're going to drill in further to identify what it was, starting on the words page. The words page surfaces words that are occurring frequently in your reviews, and you can see that I've filtered to show only English reviews. Many of our customers love to use the word cloud at the bottom of the page to look for surprising words and then click through to see the mentions of that word in their reviews from here. We prefer to use the table at the top of the page and look for words where the sentiment seems to be an outlier. In this case, you can see the word ads has more negative sentiment than the words immediately above and below it. Clicking on that word will take you to a list of the reviews that mention it, and you can see that there are over 1,400 in this time period. Toggling to the Trend tab at the top of the page shows us that there's been a recent increase in volume of mentions of the word ads. When we hover over the chart, we can see once again that this coincides with the same date, 1st of July. Reading through the first 10 to 20 reviews will often provide you with some quick insight into the sub-themes that are driving its popularity. When we look through this group of reviews, something else jumps out as well though. These reviews are all in the advertising topic. So let's head over to the topics page and dig a bit further. Topics expands on the type of clustering we offer in words. Our bots read each review and use natural language processing to group reviews that have common themes into a topic. The topics page can be useful for putting issues with your app into context. Here you can see that satisfied users is actually the most common topic in Disney Plus's reviews, although the advertising topic that we are interested in ranks second. Again, clicking through on any topic allows a deeper exploration of the matching reviews. The part of the review that caused us to include it in that topic will be highlighted. Taking time to read the first 10 to 20 reviews in a topic can often give you quick insight into the sub-themes that are driving the popularity of that topic. In this case, a lot of the reviews make reference to the volume and frequency of ads in the Disney Plus app. We think a custom topic to track complaints about the number of ads will be useful, so let's head to the phrases page to get some ideas on what to include in our custom topic. Here we've applied a keyword filter to help us see the common phrases in reviews that mention the keyword ad in English in the same period. Right near the top, we see some validation that frequency of ads is a key issue, with the phrase many ads right at the top of the page. A quick scroll down the page might reveal some other key phrases we can include in our custom topic. For example, if we click through on ads every, we see that this is another phrase used commonly in complaints about ad frequency. We'll include it as well. Custom topics lets you specify groups of keywords and phrases you would like Appbot to monitor in your app reviews. The summary view shows similar data to words, phrases, and topics. At the top of the page, you can see the custom topics that I have created, and below are the custom topics created by my Appbot team members. Custom topics allows you to be very specific about which reviews will match, so you can track detail level issues separately, even if they use some of the same keywords or phrases. An example here might be creating a custom topic for complaints that ads have been added, and a separate one for complaints about how many ads there are or how often the ads appear. This level of granularity can be super helpful when making business decisions about changes to the app. You can see here I've specified some of the key phrases we saw a moment ago on phrases. Once you save your custom topic, we'll apply it to all the matching reviews in your history as well as any new reviews. You can also use custom topics as a filter for integrations or set up widgets on your dashboard to help you monitor them. Dashboards lets you create your own automated custom reports for quick reference or to share with your team. You can use dashboards to automate general app review reporting, as well as to monitor specific issues with your app. Here's one we've created for Disney Plus that will allow us to keep an eye on whether complaints about the addition of ads settle over time or not. It can be very helpful to quantify negative feedback to help stakeholders decide what action to take in response to new feature backlash like this. This dashboard tells us 3 things very quickly and easily. 1, overall reviews are averaging 3 stars, but those in the advertising topic only average 1.8 stars, a material difference. 2, complaints about the ad are worth approximately 15% of the total reviews in this time period. And 3, the volume of mentions of ads has dropped over time and then stayed fairly flat. Ideally, if I worked at Disney, I would be hoping to see this trend towards 0. I can schedule this dashboard to be sent to me via email by clicking Scheduled Emails at the top and then choosing a frequency that suits me. Adding your manager to your Appbot team allows them to use scheduled emails as well and stay in the loop. I can also export a beautifully formatted PDF where all charts link directly to the relevant report in Appbot. Another popular way to give app reviews visibility in your company is by using integrations. Use messaging tools like Slack, Microsoft Teams, and Google Hangouts chat to improve the visibility of reviews in your company or alert specific teams about reviews that are relevant for them. You can send reviews straight to CRMs like Zendesk and Freshdesk so your support team can reply efficiently, or you can create something custom using Zapier, webhooks, or the Appbot API. Slack is our most popular integration used by over 50% of teams on Appbot. It only takes a moment to configure. Once connected, we'll send new reviews through as soon as we detect them, plus a helpful weekly summary every Monday. Thanks for watching. Feel free to contact our support team at support@appbot.co for more information, or head to appbot.co to sign up for a 14-day free trial with all the features we've covered today.